We studied about valence bond theory. So, in valence bond theory, by applying valence bond theory to a coordination compound, we can explain or we can find out the hybridization present in a complex. Particular complex, which hybridization is present. For example, whether it is sp3 hybridization or d2sp3 hybridization or sp3d2 hybridization. Like that, we can analyze the hybridization present in the complex. We can find out only from applying valence bond theory. Second thing, from the hybridization, we can understand geometry. If it is a d2sp3, it is octahedral geometry. We can find out. And also, if unpaired electron is present, after hybridization, if unpaired electron is present, the molecule is paramagnetic in nature. And also we studied, if all the electrons get paired, then the molecule is diamagnetic in nature. So we studied, if the ligand is weak, then the metal atom utilize its available orbital for hybridization. If the ligand is strong, then the metal atom paired its electron and arrange its orbitals for hybridization. But the thing is, so from spectrochemical series, we are classifying the ligands into strong and weak. Up to water, the ligand up to water is considered as the weak field ligand in the spectrochemical series. After water, the ligands are strong ligand. All these things we studied in valence bond theory. Now we are going to study about the limitation of valence bond theory. What about the limitations of valence bond theory? So if you are talking about the limitation, so first thing, it involves number of assumptions. Actually, valence bond theory having lot of assumptions are present. It predict about inner orbital and outer orbital complex. It says if it says about the complex is outer orbital or inner orbital. But for that, there is no specific or strong evidence, experimental evidence, no evidences are there. So that means it involves number of assumptions. Second thing, it says about paramagnetic and diamagnetic. But how much it is paramagnetic, how much it is diamagnetic, it does not give any quantitative interpretation for magnetic data. And also, most of the coordination compound are color. But valence bond theory didn't say anything about the color of the coordination compound. Now we are going to study about the next limitation. Next point is, it does not explain the thermodynamic or the kinetic stability. Most of the coordination compound are highly stable one, but it does not say anything about the stability of coordination compound. It does not make exact prediction regarding tetrahedral and square planar, because usually if the coordination number is 6 means the geometry of the complex is octahedral. But if the coordination number is 4, there are two hybridizations are possible, sp3 or d2sp3. One is tetrahedral, another one is square planar. But there is no proper explanation given regarding the square planar and tetrahedral geometry. And also, we are all familiar that valence bond theory, we are saying if the ligand is weak, then no pairing takes place. If the ligand is strong, pairing takes place. But whether the ligand is weak or strong, we can identify only from spectrochemical series. Spectrochemical series belongs to crystal field theory. So, valence bond theory does not give any idea regarding the weak field and strong field ligand, or otherwise it does not distinguish the ligand into weak and strong. These are some of the limitations of valence bond theory.